It's me, John. I'm back with another reaction. And now, after the heavily requested, the highly questioned, finally, I'm doing The Fight for Sawmill by Crashball. Yes, people. Everybody, you need to relax. Seriously. Whenever I start a series, I usually end up finishing it. Unless there's some big deal that causes me to say no more. But, yeah, I was, of course, going to do this, and I am going to do the one after this. I'm going to keep doing it so long as Crashball keeps doing it, because this series is fucking fun. So, before we get this video started, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and, of course, follow me on all my social media. And if you want to follow me and support this channel, you can support me on Patreon. A little off of it today. Oh well, a good video we'll watch it. So yes, this is the fight for Sawmill. So buckle in, boyos. We're about to see some action. So let's see what happens in 3, 2, 1, and play. My helmet's nearby, right? Where's my helmet? There it is. Cool opening. Helmet. Me and my unpreparedness. I really must not be feeling it. 3 months ago, Blue takes control of Watchtower seemingly against all odds. 2-4. Oh my. Something tells me I'm just gonna need this right off the bat. Here's Blue team. It's Scout. Alright, let's see the badass. Whoa! Dual wielding, I like it. Whoa! Merciless! Whoa! Big jump. Holy shit. What? He kicked a rocket? Oh, wow. His power level has increased to over 9,000! Ooh! Whoa, nice. Whoa. Oh! How did you know? Bro. Ouch. Oh. I see. It's a showdown between the two we've already seen. Nice. Uh-oh. So long, Spy! Ooh. Whoa! Ooh, yikes. Ooh. Oh, this is where things get good. Oof. Whoa! Whew. Close. How did an architect decapitate him? What the? Whoa! Oh, that should work. Uh-oh. Whoa! TF2's resident Revolver Ocelot. Hey there, Angie. Oh, like the aviators. Damn. Oof, get pressure on that, yeah. Come on, build that intro, get it up. Let's go. Ooh! Oh, damn! Ooh! Oh, I'm guessing that means, yep, he's up. Ooh! Too close! Oh, the bandages, good call. Oh, damn. I can't tell who's gonna win. This is too intense. Love the soundtrack too. This soundtrack is awesome. Ooh! Whoa! He can counter! Ooh! Oh! Oh! Damn! Oh! We're bottled to the face. Come on, buddy. Get it together. Let's go. Widowmaker, hell yeah. Woo! Damn! Holy hell in a handbasket. Oh! Watch it, it's coming back! Ooh! Ooh! Did you get him? Gotta make sure. You gotta make sure. Yeah. Whoa! 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 Got his gun! Oh! Oh, 6 shots. Oh. Ooh. Scatter gun. Ooh. Oh. All right. Oh ho ho. Ooh. Ooh, damn, this is getting it. No, boy, here we go. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. Oh, solid hits. Oh dear. What? Uh-oh. That doesn't look good. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, that's really not good. Jeez! God damn! He actually got the Rapid Heavy. He got him. Now it's just up to the NG. But Scout's not looking too good. He's taking some hits. Alright. Here we go. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Oh, through the kneecap. That's gotta hurt. Damn, both of them are fucked up. Who's gonna get it? What? It's alive? Damn, what did kill this thing? Ooh! Oh, that's gonna hurt. That's a beautiful. Oh, Jesus. Man, that's a big explosion, big fire. But how? What can kill that thing? Yeah. Oh dear. Looks like Scouts had it. And he's out cold. Oh. Shadow. Bro, if Scout makes it out of there, he's got at least a few broken ribs, probably a few hairline fractures in his arms and legs. I guarantee you he's got a concussion. Mild or worse. Jeez. I guess I'm... animation's pretty worse for wear too. He got beat up pretty good too, and that bullet in the kneecap. Oh, his eyes fucked up too. Jesus. The spy. That's right. Yeah, he's fucked up good. Damn. Both of them got fucked up pretty damn good. But now there's a score to settle. Ooh, damn, Crash Mall. You make some good work. Damn. Animation was flawless as usual. Go through all this, of course, because well, check all this shit out. Yeah, MG so needs a single action army. Whoa. Yeah, go through all the music, because, of course. Damn, it was a pleasure. Huh? What? Someone was watching them? Oh my. Something's up. Well, with that ends another excellent episode. Holy crap, that was intense! I mean, Jesus! But that was still flippin' excellent. Well, so yes, do not worry, people. I will continue to react to the next series. I know that Crash Mall is doing more of this, and I can't wait to see more. So, until the next video, you know who I am, I know who you are. I will see you all in the next video. Come Koa, come Luna. Let us go. I need to recover from such awesomeness. Don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll do a stream or something. Come on, puppies. Let's go. Woo, damn.